All right, first off, I want to thank everybody for liking, following, and sharing the videos. It's made the site kind of go viral, which is great. We've got a lot of views. We've got some videos with over 1 million views. So y'all know I rebuilt this truck from the front to the back. We did it right. We did it tight. The engine's rebuilt, transmission's rebuilt, gearbox, everything on this truck, leaf springs up, has been redone. The only problem we have is these axles. They just are not, I'm not confident in them. I think they're gonna pop. I think I can't get on pavement and burn all 4 of these tires, and plus they don't have differential lockers in them. And to compete in today's market, I think I really need the differential lockers, and I wanna be able to turn all 4 of these tires on pavement, and I want this truck to be stout, and that's what we're trying to do. So I've heard y'all say y'all want me to get this truck out there, and to get it out there, I gotta get some new axles under it. If it breaks down right now the way it is, I have no way to fix it. I can't get parts for it, okay? So, to get the new axles, if y'all wanna help me out, here's how you do it. Go to the reels, you can see the star, you click that little star right there. Guys, if you send 99 cents, that's gonna help big time, okay? The next step is subscriptions. $4.99 is where we set the subscription at. You're gonna get all the behind the scenes footage, cutting these axles out, water jetting, going to the machine shop, we're gonna water jet the adapters for the wheels, all of that stuff. So as a subscriber, you're gonna get it. Now, just as a follower, you're still gonna get a lot of content, and you're gonna get, we have a lot of fun things planned, a lot of demolition things. We've got some stuff coming up that we're working on right now. So if you don't mind, hit those stars, hit that subscribe, and hit the like and share these videos like y'all been doing. I appreciate everything that y'all done. I wanna get this truck out. I wanna get it out in events. You're gonna see everything right here on this channel that we do when we have it out. And we're also gonna try to bring it to some of these events so y'all can see it in person.